Hello everyone, today I have an exciting unboxing today, so get ready for it and here we go. So look what we have here, you guys. Okay, you can see it. It says UltraBoost. So I've been eyeing these pairs of shoes for a while and they're pretty expensive, but I got a deal from Foot Locker. They're doing a deal right now until I think like August 8th, and I got, about 35 bucks off of this retail price, so that is so cool. And also I was able to get a kid size because I don't know. Oh yeah, because they're a little bit less expensive than the actual adult size, which is really nice. But according to this little sticker picture right here, you know what color I got? I got all white. I really wanted gray, but all gray shoes were sold out everywhere, even adults and kids size. So, and I thought everyone gets black, and I just need to be so cool and stylish, so I got white. So here we are, Adidas UltraBoost. Whoa, look inside, you guys. Wow, that looks so nice. Let's take these out. Here's what they look like. Whoa, that's so cool. We'll set those aside right here. Get both out. Wow, so nice. So, wow, look at these. Look at these, everyone. So the UltraBoost 3.0 has this kind of more of a translucent cage as opposed to the opaque cage in past editions. And wow, look at this. So this is the UltraBoost material right here. And here's the prime knit top of the shoe, which looks really nice. Here's the Adidas logo at the tongue. And wow, just look how good this looks. Here's the logo, all silver. Man, these are gonna get dirty so quick, but look how stylish and great these look. Let's look at the bottom, the sole. So, Continental rubber. I think from watching other videos, that's what's used in the tires. So here's the torsion system, and you can read that. It says that, I think, in there. Oh, it's upside down, but you can't really see it exactly in this video right here. You can see it right there. And wow, these look so nice. They're so light too. I wanted to try a pair of these on at Finish Line at my local mall, but they didn't have my size and they didn't sell any kid size. So wow, these look so nice, you guys. Oh my goodness. So these are my first Adidas tennis shoes, and wow, first impressions, so cool. So yeah, look at these. Oh my goodness, wowie. So yeah, I'm gonna try these on to show you guys what they look like, and yeah, I'll see you soon. Thank you all for watching. Comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions. Also, don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel for more unboxings just like this one and other kinds of videos like vlogs. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a video. So I hope you all enjoyed that video, and bye!